welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing a Kiwi Crate, and I am just very excited to open this box. My son loves it when these things come in the mail, and so I'm sure he's very excited to get into this box, but he doesn't know it's here yet, so he will be excited, but he isn't yet. But if you are new to my channel, I created this channel as a homeschooling resource to do unboxings like I'm doing today, to give you curriculum ideas, organizational ideas, to provide you with some spiritual insights about Christ and some different curriculum, I can't speak, that you can use to help teach your children more about Christ and have him more in your home. So if you're interested in those things, please hit that subscription box below and let's open this box. So this one says, fun with flight. Hopefully they're not teaching my child how to fly. He's already danger prone as it is. So it says build a stomp rocket and kites to fly. That sounds pretty cool actually. So when we open it up, woo! Okay, we can see our little flag, it's not a flag, kite up there at the top in this picture. So let's pull it out. So we have our instructions right here. And usually with the Kiwi Crate, they have a few different activities. Oh, this looks like the little rocket launcher. This is gonna be cool. He's gonna love this. And the little kite parts right here that he's gonna make. So I like how there's a few different activities that kind of reinforce whatever they're trying to teach that month. And then again, our little booklet right here, that is always fun. And usually they have some sort of treat at the end. Oh, these are cute. So they have like little muffins you could put as hot air balloons. That's fun. So this booklet is always a lot of fun. So these are the first things we have. These look like really oversized earplugs. If you have ears that big. So, and then here's these. I don't know what these are. They remind me of exercise bands, but miniature size. I guess I just am reminded of all sorts of things today. And then we have some blue yarn. And these are markers. And then we have some wood pieces right here. And a bunch of straws. So you can put them in your drinks if you don't want to use them for the project. And then this is a whole bunch of pieces, probably for the kite it kind of looks like, I'm not really sure. Or maybe for both projects. And then this. Oh, it whistles at us for our little rocket. So this is gonna be fun. I hope it doesn't break in 2 seconds because my kids tend to break things. But so that's what's in the box. I'm excited for it. I know my son will be excited. So I'm gonna let him get at it and we will let you know how it goes. His Kiwi Crate and he's excited to show you. There's a lot of different parts, so we'll show you as best we can. But first, this is what, oh, you want to show him a rocket first? So there's a little rocket launcher here. Let me see if we can get it untangled. So this is what it looks like.
It shoots these type of darts.
It shoots the rockets, but we're not gonna actually shoot it for you. We went outside and we shot them. So then you stomp your foot on this part and it shoots them off. And you can adjust the little angle using this dowel if you want to point it more down or more up. So that's really cool, and it comes with these, there's 4 rockets. So the only thing with these rockets, you do use little like tape strips here at the bottom. You can see it on the straw a little bit, but they don't stick super well. So they stay on enough to like launch them a couple times, but you might want to use your own tape afterwards or maybe stick them a little bit higher. I'm not really sure, they don't stick super well. So the tails or the little fins, okay, hold on. fall off, and so then the rockets do crazy things, but that's also a good way to experiment and see what happens if the rocket has no fins or tail on it. I don't even know what they're called, but
Tails.
okay, tails, that's what we're going for. Okay, do you want to show them the kites? So it comes with 2 kites that you can make. So he was able to color these. So this one didn't really have a pattern. You can just design your own, and this one came all the black lines. And so he was able to color in it, or you don't have to. So this looks a little bit more stained glass. Hold on one second. So the kites were a lot of fun. They were actually outside for probably about an hour yesterday. It was a good windy day, running around with these. Yeah, and getting a ton of exercise. So not only are they just fun and show them how, you know, flight works in some ways, but it was also just a good exercise. If you want them to get some wiggles out, go have them run around outside with a kite. And they flew really well, and they just had a really fun time with that. So it was a good crate this month. We had a fun time. Okay, hold on one second. So at the back of this book, this is the instructions book. It gives you some ideas for experiments for the kite and experiments for the rocket. So you can tilt the rocket different directions, or if the fins aren't on again. And then this one, if it has a shorter tail or it has a longer tail, what's the kite gonna do? So those are some things you can do. And there was a lot of stuff in the book you could do. We have not done all of it for sure, but it gives you lots of different things with the rockets and ways you could try, different experiments you could do. And then it has this, I used to make these when I was a kid. You cut the paper and you put the paper clip on the bottom, and then they twirl around. They're like those super annoying tree pods. That's what they remind me of. Or there's this one as well, this little straw flyer that you could make. So that was another fun craft. And then I had showed this in the intro, but you could do the muffin air balloons. And then it also comes with, sometimes they come with this extra, this one comes with a paper airplane. And so you could cut that out and make your little paper airplane if you wanted to do that.
It has instructions.
Good thing it has instructions. Okay, so what was your favorite part or the easiest part?
The easiest part was this.
That was the easiest part? All right, there you go. What about the hardest part? What did you think was really difficult?
Difficult.
I can suggest one. So folding these kites was a little bit hard for him to do.
That was difficult.
Yeah, one of them had really good lines and the other one didn't. So that was just a little bit harder, because then you have to have this part sticking out the back. So that was probably the hardest part for him, and just tying, you know, on the string and stuff to the kites. But I thought it was a great crate. The kids all had tons of fun, and they have been asking all day to take these kites back out, but I didn't want them totally destroyed before we filmed this. And so they're excited to go back out and play with them and play with the rocket. So I'm excited to just let them go have some fun. But please give this video a thumbs up if you like seeing these unboxing videos, and we will see you next time.